What is going on, you raving lunatics? Guys, I want to talk to you real quick about what is going on these charts, what you should be doing, and how this plays out to your best advantage right now. And I'm going to be making a guess at this. I don't know for sure if this is the right play or not, but this is the one that I'm going to be making. Now, before I do that, if you would, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the bell to be notified. And if you want to see more people getting involved in Luna Classic, then what you need to do is leave a comment down below. It helps the algorithm. Liking and commenting helps tremendously. Now, with that, let's look at the chart right here. Yesterday, we talked about these bounces that are happening and this kind of pressure that you're feeling right now. Well, it should be noted here that we're not experiencing the same pressure on USTC. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to wait to see if this breaks to the upside, because we've got the market in a positive all of the sudden. There's a lot of movement to the good happening right now. So I'm looking for this move right here, at least to this SMA at around 2 cents. If I get 2 cents, consider this is about a 33% increase, a 33% lift in the current value. If I get up here lucky enough to get about 40 or 50% on one of these lines, or even test up here near the top, then what I'm doing is I'm accumulating about 50% more of the USTC than I had before. Now, the question is, what am I going to do with that? And the answer to that is I'm going to flip it over for more Luna Classic over here right now. Let's face facts here. This pressure, this is the buy opportunity of a lifetime. And consider this, if you will. When I say this is the buy opportunity for a lifetime, consider this. We've been here before, right? We've been here before. And I'm not talking about in the overall. I'm talking about recently after the collapse. We've been here before. That means we're going there again. And just for a tiny bit of consideration, 3 zeros, 59,250 was the top not that long ago, right? We're down about 8x from that position. So I want you to think about your bag, and I want you to think about what the opportunity presents in itself if something like that were to happen again. Once we start to see that USTC repeg, well, once we start to see a little bit more burn, once we start to see all of these catalysts start to play out, are you looking for an 8x? No, of course not. You're looking for 100x. You're looking for 1,000x. I can't promise you any of that. I can't promise you this, but I can say that we've been there before. We'll probably be there again. I can say that we've been here before. We'll probably be here again. It just takes a little bit of time. But in the meantime, I'm going to accumulate a lot more down here. Do I know that this is not going to break and go a little bit lower? No, I don't. In fact, it should be, and I should probably warn you right now, that it is entirely possible that we test this 5,600 down here because of all this chop and all this trading over here. There could be a breakdown that we experience now, and I should point out that it's probably a range from between 64 and 56. So that possibility exists, but I'm not deterred by that, because again, if I do a little bit more right here and I accumulate just a little bit more, then if I were to DCA my way down here, then I'm still in this range right here. I'm in a great position for one of these big moves. So that's what I'm going to be doing. The trade volume's up to 20 million. The trade volume over here is up to 22 million. And then finally, the update here, we're at a staking ratio about 15%, stays right at $1 trillion. It was up a little bit over 15% a couple days ago. Now it's back down to about 14.96. So let me know what you think in the comments down below, guys. I think this is a great play. I think this is a great opportunity. Let USTC pump just a little bit more and then make a flip over here back to Luna Classic. Now, if USTC dumps back down, I want to say this. If USTC were to dump back down before we reach the apex, or getting a little bit closer to this breakout, which is about the 28th, 29th, right? If in the next 3 or 4 days, there's a pump in Luna Classic and a dump in USTC, I would be accumulating more USTC as well. And basically, I'm flipping these back and forth right now to accumulate more. I have a little bit over 12 million. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified of future content, and leave a comment. This is not financial advice. My name is Believes. I'm always right. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll talk to you again.